everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the NSO paper of Class 1 Set B 2024-25. Coming to the logical reasoning. First question. There are dashed triangles in the given figure. Let us count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 triangles. So the answer is option D. Second question. 4 groups of dashed trophies each can be formed from the given trophies. We have to group 4. 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is option A. Question number 3. The weight of scissors is dashed than the weight of tape. Clearly we can see that scissor is lighter than tape. So the answer is option A, less than. Question number 4. Find the missing figure in the given figure matrix. Sheep, you have to check like this. Sheep, duck, duck, hen, hen, hen. So here comes the hen. Answer is option B. Question number 5. The cow is standing dash the hut. The cow is standing outside the hut. So the answer is option C. Question number 6. Select the option that can be placed in the same group as item X. They have given ice cream. Ice cream is a man-made thing. So from the given options we can select option C. Ring. Ring is a man-made thing. Question number 7. What is common among X, Y and Z? X is hen, Y is cactus and Z is snail. Coming to the option A. They all can move from one place to another on their own. That is wrong because cactus cannot move on its own. Option B. They all breathe in air. This is true. Option C. They are all natural things. They are not natural things. They are living things. Option D. Both B and C. This is also wrong. So the answer is option B. They all breathe in air. Coming to the question number 8. Which among the following needs food and water to live? Let us see the options. Option A, book. Option B, shirt. Option C, mobile phone. Option D, rabbit. So only the rabbit needs food and water to live. So the answer is option D. Question number 9. Select the odd one out on the basis of number of seeds present in them. See, first option is watermelon. Next, B is apple, C is pear and D is orange. See, apple has few seeds, even pear has few seeds and orange has few seeds. Only the watermelon has many seeds. So the answer is option A. Question number 10. Which of the following plants grow in water? Rose, lotus, sunflower and hibiscus. Answer is option B, lotus. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.